Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at how to use ChatGPT. If you've ever wondered how AI can help with writing, answering questions, creating images, or even generating business ideas, this tutorial is for you. ChatGPT is an advanced AI that analyzes massive amounts of text to generate responses based on your input. It's a powerful tool, but like all AI, it's not perfect. Sometimes it makes mistakes, but with the right prompts, you can get impressive results. To access ChatGPT, go to chatgpt.com. If you don't have an account, signing up is completely free. You need one of the following accounts: Google, Microsoft, Apple, or email to create your ChatGPT account. Once logged in, you'll have access to various features like text generation, file uploads, and image creation. Upon logging in, you'll see a simple interface. At the center, ChatGPT asks, "What can I help you with?" You can type a question in the chat box or use voice input. This Ask Anything box is more powerful than you think. Let's try a basic prompt. Give me 3 ways to save my earned money. I earn $20,000 a month. The AI quickly generates very well-detailed strategies. However, notice that it's somewhat generic. That's because the prompt lacked details. The key to getting better results is providing more context. Let's refine the prompt. I work as a laborer, and my monthly income is $20,000. I also spend some money on clothes and other things. Give me some tips on how I can save some money without affecting my personal expenses. The result is much better, engaging, fun, and including the exact details specified. The more precise the prompt, the better the response. You can also double-click the suggestions you liked the most and ask for more details about them, just like having a friendly conversation with your financial advisor. Want to refine the response further? On the Ask Anything box, you can see 3 dots. Click on them, then click Edit in Canvas. This feature allows direct text modifications, similar to a document editor. Highlighting a section and asking ChatGPT to make it sound more urgent or exclusive can enhance the output further. Did you know that ChatGPT supports file uploads? Whether it's a document, spreadsheet, or image, ChatGPT can analyze and extract useful information. For example, let's upload a screenshot of my channel in it and ask if there are improvements that I can make to enhance my channel. You can see how ChatGPT not only analyzes my channel, but also gives meaningful suggestions using the image data I have given it. It also suggests that I use powerful SEO tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to boost my channel reach. That's quite impressive, given that I have only provided a single line prompt and a single image to work with. You can literally copy or have something to work with using just one image. With recent updates, you can access information from the internet as well. This is quite limited, but sufficient for most users. On the chat box, you can see the search icon. Click on that. The search feature allows ChatGPT to pull the latest data from the web. Let's check the trending cookie flavors for 2025. It even provides sources for further reading, ensuring accuracy and up-to-date insights. You can click on Sources, and it will redirect you to the website where it has extracted the information from. For complex decision-making, try reasoning models. On the top left corner, you can see many models of ChatGPT. If you have ChatGPT Premium, you can access multiple models. For now, I will use ChatGPT 03 Mini. For example, let's calculate the number of cookies to bake for the holiday season without overproducing. ChatGPT not only gives an estimate, but also explains the logic behind it, making business planning much easier. You can provide additional information, and it will adjust the answers and reasoning according to the information you have given. ChatGPT also offers custom AI assistants designed for specific tasks. On the left side of the interface, you can see Explore GPTs. Click Explore GPTs to find tools specializing in areas like logo creation, data analysis, or academic research. You can search for specific terms. For example, If I need help with my algebra homework, I will simply type algebra, and I will see a number of custom GPTs made by real people. The only thing you need to do is click on it and start chatting. It's that simple. Below the response of ChatGPT, you can see different icons. You can copy all the responses by clicking on this button. Give feedback to ChatGPT by giving it a thumbs up or thumbs down. If you are not satisfied with the answer, you can click on this icon. You can even switch between different models and generate answers. You can also ask ChatGPT to read aloud the responses. Just click on this icon. There is also an option to change the voice. On the top right corner, you can see your profile icon. Click on it, go to Settings, and you will see the speech option. Click on it, then click on Voice. There are multiple voices you can work with. You can also hear a demo of each option. Below it, you can also change the language of the voices. There are more options and features you can explore in the Settings section, such as changing the language, archiving and unarchiving chats, deleting all chats, managing all the chat links you have shared, deleting your account, logging out from all devices, enabling or disabling multi-factor authentication, and even managing your subscription. While the free version of ChatGPT is powerful, a premium subscription, $20 per month, provides additional benefits. Access to advanced models, video generation, Sora, project organization to manage conversations more efficiently. If you're working on different topics or tasks, you can use projects to keep everything organized in ChatGPT. Here's how. On the left-hand sidebar, find the Projects section. Click on New Project. Creating a new project. A pop-up box will appear. Enter a name for your project, marketing campaign, or school research. Click Create to finalize. Adding chats to a project. After creating a project, you can drag and drop existing chats into the project folder. This way, all related conversations stay together for quick access. ChatGPT can create images based on your descriptions. In the chat box, type a request for an image. Example: generate an image of a delicious pumpkin spice chocolate chip cookie. Press Enter to send the prompt. Wait for the image to generate. ChatGPT will process your request and display an image. If you don't like the first result, you can modify the prompt. Generate a high-quality image of a freshly baked pumpkin spice chocolate chip cookie with melting chocolate chips. Once the image appears, right-click on it. Select Save Image As to download it to your computer. ChatGPT is a powerful AI tool that can assist with writing, research, business planning, and creative tasks. Try it out and let us know how you're using ChatGPT. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI insights.